It's supposed to be glass, but it's. Check out the fit. Check out the fit. It's Steph. Check out the fit. Steph. Apparently, he doesn't know his name.
DJ. No, Junior. I forgot my name from Jones. No wonder all these videos.
You guys are about to see something really great, and we're about to show Junie too. Cause remember last time it was better. He just did the dumbest thing ever. Look at this greatness. Look at the fidget. They have car. Oh my god.
Really? Look.
I need to go to work.
I've seen it almost. Oh no, not all these.
Look at the car one. They moved the car one? Oh, no, it's over there.
Oh, it's over there.
The football one. Look at the football. Oh, they have candy too, but who cares about candy these days? Fidget spinners all day. And New Edition all day.
No. Yeah, I know. Have you guys ever had
Greedy people be like, oh.
Yes. They're the best.
Ooh, I love these. Jeremiah has a pair of these slippers.
The world's richest cake would be a macaroni.
Remember King, what's the name?